Gather! Order guide you!
Brace yourselves!
How time flies. In the blink of an eye, I've grown old. Hello, darling. Come to Grandma. Oh, goodness. Someone's growing up fast, aren't they? You're not a small child anymore. Now, what do you think this might be? It's a family heirloom. Grandma's ancestors brought it with them when they came here many years ago. Today, Grandma's giving it to you. Take it, and remember this nursery rhyme. One river flowing down the middle.
Hey, guess what? Grandma gave me a gift. Wanna see it? Here. Grandma says it comes from the world outside. She says our ancestors brought it to the island when they first came here. Oh, and she taught me a nursery rhyme, too. I think it goes like this. 4 winds bring the sound of joy.